Model, 2011 Ford Transit Connect 230 Trend 1.8 TDCI 90 PS long wheelbase, factory-fitted crew van. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 165919. MOT, the 15th of August 2025. Engine, 1753 cc DURATORQ TDCI E490A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. There is a knocking noise coming from the rear suspension, so we'll need some kind of bushes sorting out. Still starts and drives fine. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119